this is a very good transformations where you add a lot of data in here. Like for example, you wanted to add a custom column. Let's say you wanted to add a custom column. Okay, so let's select some financial data. Let's say click on the second one, custom column. Okay, custom column is something like you can create a new column here. Okay, by writing some condition, some logic, some statement. Okay, so I wanted to write some condition based upon some country. Let's say I wanted to use this country column and say if it's already simple if statement. If select country, if country is equals double quotes Canada, because I'm writing a text there, so it's always better to add those double quotes in there. Okay. So if it was a number, I wouldn't have added the double quotes. Okay. So if country is equal to Canada, then give me C as a short form. Else as a other something. It's a short form or something, whatever. I can give a new column. So click on OK. So this will create a new column as you can with that particular logic. Just written some logic. If it is Canada, then C, otherwise others. You can always double check. I mean, you can add, since it was a simple if condition, when I open this gear icon, this has automatically converted by the tool into a conditional column, which we are going to see in a while. So it's a because it's a simple if statement. If this is equal to this, then this, otherwise this. So let us go back and try to understand the other conditional column. So you can see there's another transformation which is called as a conditional column. Conditional column again is a conditional statement where you can write simple statements or also you can write multiple statements. Okay. So I'm going to maybe use the same example, country. So I'll say country is equals Canada. Then I'll see here. And I can add multiple conditions. Else if country is equal German, I say I can keep on adding like whatever country. So this is a condition statement where you can add a number of conditions, and that will kind of give you the result like this. Wherever you have Germany, you got others. Okay, and this is useful when you wanted to convert some months, or sometimes you have different months, right? Like for example, let me say January, February, March. You have a random month names. So maybe you wanted to get month numbers based upon month names, right? Or else you have month numbers, you wanted to get month names. Either way, you can write this condition statement simply by adding that condition. Okay, right? You have month name here. So I wanted to get month. So already we have a month number, although I'm just giving an example. Let's say if you wanted to, right? So you can simply use this conditional column and check if month name, right? Go back to the month number, or month number is equal to 1. You can type in January, right? You can keep on adding multiple clauses for all that. March, just leaving there. Other. So it's just like a simple conditional column. Okay.